G'day, welcome back. So today, well not really today, it was a few months back in the summer, we're looking at topping up the aircon on the Project Trueno. It's running a little bit warm, so friend who owns it, he went and got one of these CRC AC Charge kits, which is essentially a pretty rough gauge, and 400 grams of refrigerant, R134A, so we give it a bit of a top up. Now these come from Supercheap Auto. I say in the video they cost $50. Looks again, I think it's actually $69.99, so 70 bucks for a tin and a gauge. You can buy just the tin on its own, so if you've already got the gauge, want to use it again, buy the refrigerant, put a link down below to what it is. So yeah, this is a quick and easy way to top up your AC. Would I recommend it on something you care about? Well, don't take my word for it, but air compressors and all that kind of stuff, it's quite a specialist kind of field. Check out our friend Stuzman, Terry, he does lots of AC stuff, he knows what he's talking about. Go trust him for AC advice and knowledge. Don't trust me, but we're going to give this a go. So, this is what it looked like. This is what the Trueno started off at. A bit of a twist in the tail here, so we'll start off and I'll come back to you shortly and we'll go from there. Right, so looking at the aircon on the, what car is this? A Trueno. Fully cranked, fully torqued. Hey bro, 16.4. Not very chilly, is it? So what are we going to do about it, Charlie? No idea. So what we are going to do, we got one of these Mickey Mouse looking, whatever these are, so refrigerant in a can. Keep your hands off that, Charlie. Oh. So what we got? We got 400 grams of refrigerant. Got a hose with a connector on it, a gauge. And this on special was like $50. Wow, so yeah, we'll read some instructions, we'll plug it in, see if we can beat 16.3 degrees Celsius, which is 61 Fahrenheit. Doesn't sound that cold, does it, Charlie? Nah. Our ambient temperature is about 28 Celsius. What's that, 85, 90 in old money. So yeah, we'll plug it in, see what happens. So we're going to plug our gauge into the low pressure port of the system, which on this Corolla Trueno Levin is over here. So what are we at? We're in the bottom of the top of the orange. So we're in the alert. Do you feel alert? Right, so I've gained a helper. So you saw on the Toyota, pressure on the low side was already up in the orange, and according to the instructions, you don't want to be recharging if it's already in the orange. Pressure's too high already. So that car's got a different problem. Didn't want to worry about it. Found another car that had poor AC function, the Ford Mondeo. We plugged it in and that's the car we topped up. I'd rather have not topped up that car in this manner, I'd rather do it properly, but it was running warm, we had this tin, had to go somewhere, so this is what happened.
Yes?
So this one needs a wee bit of a tickler. Better read the instructions. Got one in the other car. Don't pull that, Charlie, that is me here. Charlie. About 10 degrees, that's all. Right, so our AC is not quite up to scratch on the Mondeo here, so we're going to dump this can of refrigerant in, following these complicated instructions. So we'll take our shipping disc off. We're going to screw this onto here, so we'll give it a good shake up. Stick it back on here. Still in the blow, there's our S, just make sure our AC. It's getting nice and chilly. I think we're done.
Okay.
Yeah, so after we've topped it up, it was a little bit low. We've gone from a kind of low of 10 degrees before to 6.9 Celsius, 6.8, which is what, that's 44 Fahrenheit, 6.8 Celsius. That should keep Mrs. Badger a little bit happier. So yeah, that CRC AC top-up recharge dealio, what is it, one shot was 50 bucks. Certainly did the trick, giving us nice cold AC again. This car's always been, I've never checked it, recharged it, it's always been a little bit warm, but yeah, that certainly seems to have made a decent difference. What was that, we dropped 3 degrees Celsius, and yeah, it's nice and cold. So yeah, thanks Supercheap Auto. Thanks Charlie. Mechanic in a can does the job.